It's been a long time since I've posted here, and you might notice some heavy rebranding going on. I want to explain why before I post any more videos. Back in 2022, when I started this YouTube channel, I was really excited to talk about Teachers Pay Teachers. I was learning as I went, was happily sharing tips and tricks and things that I was discovering along the way, as well as just sharing my own personal progress with the platform. And that plan, well, let's just say it didn't last. I realized somewhere along the way that continuing down that path was not an efficient use of my time. The audience for my store and the audience for my channel did not have a lot of overlap, so while both efforts may have been leading toward my eventual goal of supporting myself as a content creator, the two time sinks, creating resources for TPT as well as creating videos for YouTube, weren't supporting one another. I was generating traffic to my store, but the average person interested in hearing about Teachers Pay Teachers on YouTube wasn't looking for classroom resources. They were creating and selling their own. So I took a year away from the channel. I still posted on YouTube as a gamer, but that wasn't really profitable, just fun. And I set this channel aside for a while. But after a year of reflecting and strategizing and starting to teach a drone tech course after a tumultuous career change in the wake of the state dropping the grant that supported my position, story for another time, I'm returning to the channel with a renewed purpose. In order to reach my goals here, I need the audience for my channel to overlap more with the audience of my store. Will I still be making products on Teachers Pay Teachers? Absolutely. Will I still talk about TPT on the channel from time to time? Sure. However, the majority of my content moving forward is going to focus on drone curriculum that I'm developing. So thank you, all of you who subscribed at the beginning when TPT was the primary focus, and I still hope that you'll find enough interesting here to stay subscribed and keep watching. This is just another twist in the road of my personal TPT journey, and I wish you the best of luck in yours.